Work hard, sleep hard.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Alynath the Bold. I'm Alynath.
And my name's Nathaniel. Here we are at my parents' house. We're gonna do some work on the van, so let's get started. Oh man, you should have came in the other door.
I know, I didn't realize you were going to be facing this one. My mic thing just like fell off.
Hi guys, well I'm trying to take out the bulkhead here and I'm having some issues getting these bolts out here on the bottom. So I'm gonna have to grind them off. Every time you're using a power tool, make sure to wear your eye pro, ear pro, just for safety. Alright guys, so it's the next day here. A couple things on our to-do list, on our agenda. We got a couple holes to fill in the bottom here and then some rust spots to treat as well. So if you guys look down here, when we took out the bulkhead and the shelves, there's actually a few holes left in our van. So what we're gonna do is fill the holes today and then hopefully we'll be able to treat some of the rust. Hey there. This is Future Nate speaking. And it's Future Nate because we just time traveled. We got some more done on here than we actually did before. We treated the whole floor for us and then primed it and painted it. And we also have some sound deadening material on the walls, floors, and ceilings now. We decided to spend the evening sleeping right here.
I think this could be one night we can do on like a southeast, like first night sleeping.
First night in the van. Just blew up an air mattress.
Let's go.
Well, there's a hole in our van. And just like that, folks, we've got a window.